Jy sê as jy nou bring hulle afgetrede legends terug kom. Hey, I just want to know how you in the table on you.
Zie God, ik was een destroyer, man. I obliterate my opponents, I destroy them, I wipe them out, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Jou nog lang dingen nie man, as Amy fucking Reaper. Shout out try catching it. Jules, in jou poes. Beter leer jy makkelens is in sy. Weet jy wat kaksie het is? Sy is maar net 'n bystander. Sy is die een van Dragon Ball Z. Jou specialty wys ons maar net sy try angles. I'ma torture you through brief stages. Pull up to your safe haven en maak jy hulle sien dangerous. Peter will bomb your house. I'ma let Julian burn like a cremation. We see it in your walking style dat die dog fight. Ek sê tipe beter love, betel en brolof type ek moet prep vir my December betel maar sy most state you not safe. Vat note, ek gee jou maar 'n paar pointers. In ander woorde, ek skop jou kop met 'n paar jontreis. Ek is 'n gemoos sy, vir jou moet ek 'n paar keer trap voor die bloedspat soos 'n bosluis. Is 'n feit, you can't escape, braaf word rondgeklap soos 'n dronk meid. Meer vinnig as jou sein van DSC due date, so hier, kry jy jou pak sla op tyd. My ouma het my groot gemaak, bro, ek was stil as 'n laitie, maar ek was nie 'n lei nie. Wat laat vir jou dink, dat ek stil is, dat ek kan nie fight nie, of course hy skak, en hy's my net die bonus nigga, en sy rep nog soos 'n beginner, to end things on a high note, sy kan nie beklei nie, en ons almal sien het, unaware that ek's 'n killer, sny jou vocal cords, dat sy jou beats wil slat, soos 'n oppersinger.
Yo, what's up, man? Sir Julian Burns in the building. Let's turn the flummer up. Representing Cape Town, but yeah, staying in the PTA 0084, best rapper in Pretoria. So you live in Elsie's, right? Well, I'll stroll through your block in the night in the darkest corner where no one else is. Light my blunt, blow so much smoke till it look like a scene on Elm Street. Chase every haunt that passes by looking for him. Till there's one brother Lukeem scream, Lukeem, yeah. So I run up on him and take his hand and give him a soft shoulder bump. Cause this brew's easy like leukemia. Had such a long winning streak with them brittle bones. And I was told this kid a pro, but nah, I don't see the top optics. Brew, I don't forge your chappies. And that may be a bitter pill to swallow, cause my blade's obnoxious. They came to open up and clean out your gut like probiotics. My guns go psychotic. Think all that honige bite, how even my strays are hit 'em. Special op shit. You from the streets, so you know the four corners well. Well, let's see how well you do if I add 4 more leg locked in the octagon sitch. I'm acting out on the Hall of the Dawn trip. You took your first L versus U3, and after that, I really think you fell off shit. Now, you're facing Jules, and it's like you work at the SPCA. The way you're picking up another loss, bitch. Mr. Burns in the building. Let's turn the flummer up. The Spitfire, yoga flame when the flummer spot. Flame on. En as ek met hom klaar is, draai hy van die human torch na human corpse. Elke battle quite impressive. Maar sy begin al so baie verloor, sy verloor sight van yourself. Every bar slight reflection, letting us fans know how much battle rap really means to you. Showing up unprepared and not enough time invested. Die punches begin nou moeg klink. Die next punching bag, watch me contest it. It ends here. You won't see stars, you'll see flying cars. Cause my punches send them to meet George Jetson.
Jy sê as jy nou bring hulle afgetrede legends terug kom.